Alright, so this is the box. Let's open it up. I actually took everything out already. This is where the keyboard would be, and a couple of things, and there'll be things down here. So don't forget to, if you do get it. First it came with this. It's got two sides. It talks about the keys. A thank you card. And a manual. And then this is the keyboard itself. I already turned it on. I really love it. I love the colors. It's a little small and a tiny bit heavy, but I don't think that's a big problem at all. The on-off switches on the back. Is there anything on the side? No, just up here. And down on the other part came with this wire, and then to remove the keycaps. And yeah, I really like it. I think it's all worth it.